If you're dealing with any lung issues like coughing, phlegm, wheezing, try these 2 Acupoints out. We're going to turn the shoulder down and find this pocket. This is lung 2, and 1 rib down, that's lung 1. We're going to be stimulating these 2 Acupoints for 2 to 5 minutes. Now, if you're pressing with your hands, this can get pretty tiring, so if you have another object, like a gua sha tool, you can use that to assist and help our fingers out. Or if you have a ball and a wall, you can lean in and press on that Acupoint as well. Hope this helps you out. Comment lungs if you want a full guide for your lung health.